Basketball, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up button and talk to your boy Daily Trainer in the comments whenever you're ready to do so, to let me know if you are doing the best you can. Because these workouts are crazy, man. Like, who comes up with this stuff? I do. Let's work. But before we start working, what questions do you have to ask yourself? Those questions are: am I in shape? Am I in the best shape? Am I working as hard as I possibly can? Those questions are questions you ask yourself because you're not competing with anybody but yourself. So you have to remember, you're not getting in shape for someone else that's telling you to run or telling you should be in shape. You're getting in shape because that is the best opportunity for you to succeed in your role as a basketball player. So keep those questions in mind and please be able to answer yes, and most definitely. All right, let's get into the workout, baby. All right, we got shooting right from the start. We're going straight into the star drill, so I hope you're ready and you're warm. We're going to do it on the mid-range tip first, then we're going to go to the three-point line. We're going to go 4 times, okay? Remember, in order to complete it today, I need you to make the free throw. So even if you don't make the shots all the way around, in order to count it as one, you have to finish in making that free throw shot. If you're new to the channel and not sure what to do, we are going to go baseline on the right side first. Then we're going to go to the left elbow. Then from the left elbow to the right elbow. Then we're going to go to the left baseline. And then we're going to go to the top, like middle area of the free throw line, not necessarily at the free throw line. Then if you're shooting 3-pointers, you go to the right corner, you go to the left wing, go to the right wing, go to the left corner, and then you go to the top 3-point line and you get that 3 ball flying, and you got to see that thing go in. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to do Mikans after. Okay, we're going to get right into the Mikans. We're going to go off 1 foot, then we're going to go off 2 feet. After we do Mikans, we're just going to go under and we're going to make layups. All these are going to be 20. So Mikan 20 on the 1 foot, Mikan 20 on the 2 feet. Then I want you to get right under the rim, finish the layup, finish the layup, finish the layup, and make 20. Go on the left side, finish the layup, finish the layup, finish the layup. We working, baby. I want you going, though. I want you going, okay? Then after, because you're tired and you're breathing hard, right? Yep, got to catch your breath. I want you to go to the free throw line. I want you to make 5 free throws. So hopefully it doesn't take you too long, because then you're resting too long, okay? So be sure to do that. Make sure you're working on your form. Make sure you're working on your routine. The routine helps you with all the hecklers that are in the gym and all the noise that just comes with being on the free throw line and being by yourself. It's a lonely place when you're missing free throws. Just ask. Nah, I ain't gonna put anybody out there like that on the NBA, because those guys work hard. And I work hard too. And in saying that, I want you working hard. All right, let's do this, basketball. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Now, moving into that, we're going to do dribbling. All right. So with dribbling, all right, we're going to be on the move again today. Okay. Let's work our cross, through. Okay. Let's work our cross. Okay, let's work our in and out cross. All right, let's work our behind the back cross today, and then let's work our through the legs cross. So we're gonna cross them up today. Today is just a cross day. If you reach, I'm definitely teaching. All right, and remember, these dribbles are all gonna be a minute long. Okay, and I want you moving up the floor effectively, and I want you pounding the ball, snapping the dribble, pounding the ball, snapping the dribble. Please don't just go through the motions with a soft dribble, because when you play in the game and I reach and I bump and I put pressure on you and you're not used to pounding the ball to gain control quicker, or taking that bump and being able to pound and give a bump, you are now going to turn the ball over. And you're going to look at these videos and say, man, that dribbling doesn't work. But the dribbling does work. It works because everybody in these videos that you see are dribbling. They've had success on their teams, or they've had success moving forward into college, right? You have definitely seen a varsity basketball player on here. You've also seen a college basketball player on here. You saw a Division I basketball player on here. You saw a Division II basketball player on here. Whether it's boys or girls, they're all levels, okay? So I want you to understand that these are people that have went through this process already, and now I'm putting this process on film. That's why they're doing it so naturally, because they're used to. I wish you could see some of the behind the clips when they're messing up and laughing, because they're like, I do this all the time. I don't know why I'm messing up. Now that the camera's on, I'm getting a little nervous. And that's what's going to happen to you when you're playing in the game. You're going to get just a little nervous when those lights come on. Don't worry about it. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just remember that these drills are going to help you prepare for that moment, if you do them as hard as you can and with the effectiveness of what we're talking about. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. You already know. Okay, so remember, these dribble moves that we're going to do, we are going to do them for about a minute long, or the stretch of a court. All right, that's what we got for dribbling. And now we are moving back over to my favorite, defense. My favorite thing is defense all the time. And with defense, we have to just have really good footwork, okay? So we're going to start straight off the bat with zigzags and that sprint. That's going to get us moving. That's going to get our hips dropping. That's going to get us not crossing our feet. And that's what I want to start with. We're going to do that 4 times. So we're zigzagging from cone to cone, okay? Or from the corner of the out of bounds baseline to the block, to the sideline, to the 3-point line, back over to the half court line, and then we're sprinting. So if you're on a court, that's what we're looking at, okay? And then the sprint comes from the half court all the way back down to the baseline, all right? And then we get right back into it. Then after that, we got 4 sets of our 2 cones, which is a 6-cone drill. So the 2 cones that we go through, remember, we're going under, then over, then under, then over, okay? We really got to work on being able to cut the defender off when they change their pace. So it gives us a chance to change our pace, keeps us low, and then also stops us from crossing our feet. So it's a really good drill. First time I ever seen this drill, I saw Dame Lillard doing it, and I was like, yeah, this drill is very effective. And I mean, when Dame Lillard wants to play defense, you see him pick it up, right? Yeah, he picks it up for sure. We know he's really good offensively, but defensively, he's not bad when he wants to be. So shout out to Dame Lillard for really working hard on this drill and really making it a drill that I use for people to get better defensively. Also, the next drill we will do is we're going to go right back into our box, right? So that's that closeout, that's that cutoff, that's that cutoff again, okay, with the counter. So close out, take the initial drive, drop your hips, cut off, try to keep them outside the key, and then we get our steal, we get our miss, or whatever that thing is, and then we're sprinting full speed ahead, okay? So we're going to all do those. Because we've been doing so much defense already, we're going to only do 3 sets of those. And then we have our straight line ones where we run and sprint. It's the NBA one. And then we slide over, and then we backpedal, then we slide, we sprint, we slide, and we backpedal. Okay, so we're doing that 3 times. So again, if you're new to this channel, we are working hard here. Okay, I know you're like, man, that's crazy. No one can do all those drills, but you can in the time frame that we're given. And this is really only going to be a 45-minute to an hour workout. So you can definitely get through it. You just got to push yourself, okay? Go ahead and take a water break if you need to, but don't take one every single time you get done with the drill, all right? Try to run through a whole set before you take a water break. Then go ahead and splash your face a little bit. And it's getting colder these days, so really just taking a break is probably good enough. And then lastly, we're just going to do a quick conditioning drill. We're going to do 17 countdowns, okay? So 17 countdowns. You can do it with the bar or without. You'll see me here. I'm just running sideline to sideline, pushing the rock. So this is a way for you to get better with one of your weaker hands. So if you're a left-handed dribbler, that's not very strong, you want to just do this drill consistently at full speed, you know, going back and forth in that direction and not putting it in your right hand, only putting it in your left hand. And it goes the same for the left-handers that are not very good with their right hands. You want to put it in your right hand the whole time. You're going to go 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. These are going to be the countdowns, and you don't have to time it, but it would be nice if you got it under 110, 115 if you're really tired from all the drills. So keep that in mind. This is our conditioning drill, and we want to go hard on this. Basketball U, can't thank you enough for tuning in as you usually do. I hope that this is getting you in the best shape, and I'm hoping you're pushing yourself. I can get on there and talk live if that helps too, but I gotta figure out some microphone things so it all comes clearly, because you know sometimes our phones could be a little shaky, right? So, or even our mic on our camera might be a little muffled. So I just felt like this is the best way to get it clear to you. But hey, remember, someone's always working. Are you?